पर डिटेल्स दिखाऊंगा आपको रूम कैसा है। होटल फेयरमाउंट एक शानदार होटल है। अंदर देखिए, अभी मैं ये देखिए, ये इसका टॉयलेट एरिया है, बाथटब, सब डिजिटल सिस्टम है। ये देखिए, मैं जब अंदर घुसा था ऑटोमेटिक लाइट ऑन हो गया। ये लक्कर है, सेफ्टी लक्कर। मैं ये बोलना चाहता हूँ, वेरी नाइस होटल। देखिए, ये ट्विन बेड सिस्टम है यहाँ। देखिए, यहाँ आईपॉड, लैपटॉप सब चार्जिंग के लिए पॉइंट दिया गया है। देखिए बाकू का व्यू देखिए होटल से। हम लोग अभी 8th फ्लोर पे हैं। वाओ, व्हाट अ सीन। चिकन
वही भवानी शंकर सिंह।
नींबू देखिए कितना बड़ा है।
अभी लंच कर रहे हैं।
हाँ, लंच कर रहे हैं। ये चिकन है,
चिकन करी
और ये
फिश करी,
पनीर है, और ल्याम। ये देखिए, ल्याम खा रहे हैं, ल्याम करी। नाइस टेस्ट।
लंच चल रहा है।
चेरी जूस नाइस।
পেটে খাবো অমৃতা।
He is Rupert ji, my dear friend. Rupert ji from Azerbaijan.
You can take it to discuss it with your government.
No, downstairs. Downstairs, once we get we'll proceed. And they come down. There is no space for buses. How long? Please, everyone, may I have your attention?
Yes.
20th of January. So I think everyone is aware of the Soviet Union, right?
Right.
Yes?
Yes.
Because back in the day, as far as I know, India and the Soviet Union had bhai-bhai relationship, right?
Absolutely right.
Were killed, and their feeling of independence was suppressed by the Soviet Union. And when the conflict started in 1988 to 1989 in Karabakh region of Azerbaijan between Azerbaijanis and Armenians, Azerbaijani people started to protest against the Soviet Union. And those protests led the community, led the society to be in their final, let's say, breath by 1990, 20th of January. And on that night, when Gorbachev heard that there is protests going on in Azerbaijan against the Soviet Union, he signed the declaration and he sent the army here. Army of tanks, army of weapons and soldiers. And first what they did was they bombed the TV tower, so the people here, they didn't have any information that the army was coming here. And that's why they were on the streets. Check way to work. None of them were soldiers. They were all ordinary people, just like you, just like me. And around 600 people on that night were killed. And the first grave, that is what we know by the calculations. Because as you know, many of them were killed and they were thrown to Caspian Sea. So the people, they never had information about those people anymore. And the first grave, please take a look. The first grave is related to Ilham and Fariza, the couple who were married at that time. And when Ilham was killed during the protests against the Soviet Union, Fariza was pregnant for approximately 4 months. Now we are standing in front of Eternal Fire Temple. The reason why fire is coming is that there is gas pipeline beneath this complex, and it burns 24/7, and it burns for the sake of our marchers, in order to honor our marchers. And it was built in 1996 by Azerbaijani architect Ebay Qasimzadeh. I will give you time for taking pictures, don't worry. And if you take a look at the upper side, you are going to see the scales. Those are not scales, those are pure gold. It's made of pure gold, pure white gold. In order to honor our marchers. Now, if you want to take pictures, you have 10 minutes.
Okay.